Before working anything in the furnace, so make sure turn the furnace main switch off or from the breaker, so you should not get trouble during work. Hi, today we will change our furnace board, which is giving trouble. So this is temp star, and mostly furnace have the same kind of a board, like kind of a universal board, like a Carrier Bryant, other kind. Like it's almost like a similar board. So if your furnace is not heating, not ignition at all, so it's the best way to check. But I already checked from professionally that it have a board problem. And the mostly companies, like reputable companies, like giving you core at least like a $1,200 to $1,400 just to change a furnace board, which is quite easy. So I searched myself and find on the eBay. So I just got like $150, and I just get some YouTube videos to change it. It's pretty easy. So we'll change today, and then you can see how we can change it. Board, which I order from the eBay. So it's pretty similar. You need to check your furnace model and the part number, so which is usually here, so it should be matched. Some like a first 4 to 5 digits should be matched. Last is like always like a different numbers. So make sure it should be compatible with your furnace before changing or before ordering. And it looks pretty new. So, and I got on the $150, which you can find like $400 to $500 on Amazon or some other like for the newer one. So, but this is all what we need. Okay. Now we will open this part. So this is the board, what we need to change. So some of stuff like easy, you have to just open this pipe to just make some space for you. It's pretty easy, just unhook. Put on the side. And then there is some screw down here. This one, it's just one screw. So you have to just open that, and it will be just lift up and take them out. I will just take all the pictures before changing anything from all different angles, so you should not be miss anything. Any wrong wires can ruin your board again. So make sure take all these pictures, like a thermostat wires, and about these all like a wires. So have different pictures, so you should put the wire back exactly same things. So I have all these pictures, so I will take at least one wire, which is the power one. Take them out, and then you can just lift this up. There is a lock down here. You can see. You should just lift this up so it can come out like this. So now we will change wire exactly as the same. You can take pictures and then do one by one, but the best method is just take your new board here put exactly same things and take a wire one by one and put exactly where it goes. Let's open this thermostat wires. Okay. So these are all like a big power line, which is go to induced motors, and all the way going up another compartment. So first we'll change maybe this one, and then this one, wherever you can feel easy, you can change that. Okay, so first we will move this one, red wire for 20. Okay, so we transfer this one to the next board and we'll see how it goes. The red one will go here and black one will go here. Well, this one will move in here, and then I will start from in the back. This go exactly here. This one go in here. Will go here. Okay, so now I will change these all wires on the bottom. Will go here. This is from the bottom second. This one is next. And this one is next. Make sure it should not be any loose wiring, otherwise it will give you the more trouble. Now most of the wires already changed, so just the main one. Make sure it's just safely removed. It will go to here. And nicely. Okay. So the last wire is this one. Snap in here. And our board is almost changed. This is the old one, have the trouble. I don't know what was the trouble. So text told me just this would have a trouble, this box, little black one. That's why it's the ignition problems. So anyways, we will fit this back, put all the thermostat wires in the back step, and then we turn it on and check. Should be stiff back. No. This is the red wire on the R. So we have a separate fan button. So, but if your thermostat have the 5 or 4 wire, so you don't need like this faucet, which is we install because we have a Ecobee light thermostat and we have only 2 wires. So these 2 wires is only the fan, which is not going all the way above. So that's why you can see too many wires. If your thermostat have a 4 wires or 5 wires, you can easily install like a smart thermostat. But if you have only 2 wires, so then you have this thing is extra to make it extra wire, so smart thermostat can work. Okay, thermostat wires up. Now we'll put this condensation pipe back in its place. All good. And from here too. Okay, it is all in place. All board are ready to go. $1,400 from the professional companies, and I changed it $150 plus my 30 minutes, even less than 30 minutes. So we will close this rack and then check if it's work. Now we close this. Okay, now we will switch on the furnace and then check. Here, my ignition is working and it's heating now. Awesome. It's still working. Awesome, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Just subscribe and like. Thank you so much.